What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mini back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a recap on ARBB. Right now, market's currently open, but we just hit this banger, and I want to show you guys exactly how we did it. And we got requested for a recap in the trading group as well. So I just wanted to make sure that I can have that out. So first things first, this week has been completely garbage, as I mentioned in my previous video, right? Completely garbage week, and my size was less into Friday. I said on Thursday, which was yesterday, that size is going to be low. We're going to wait for a nice setup, and right. So the only other setup, right, I saw into open was NVVE, and then there was also TRNR. So TRNR has been a complete shit show. I have my key levels drawn out, and 192 was the key level that I drew into pre-market, and I let the people know as well, right? So I ended up getting a soak. I did not trade this at the time. I said it is getting a soak under my key level, but I'm not a fan of it. Got a nice move. Some people caught it in the group, but not really one that was clean enough for me to trade. NVVE, I was watching the 450 reclaim for a breakout and then a pop into 450 for another move, but 470 resistance from the 1 hour was strong. And now you guys can see that the EMA trend was up, and now the EMA trend is down. So that is something to note here. As EMAs hold, right, longs are in control. As EMAs flip, shorts are in control. So you guys do not want to touch this right now until the 200 EMA bases. We get a clean pullback and then a pop and then pull back into EMAs and then crawl back up, right? So that would be your entry. But ARBB, why did I like this? What was pointed out? You guys can see as we just talked about EMAs, right? Boom, EMA perfect holds right here. Now, what I was looking at on ARBB, first I want to show you guys the entry. So ARBB, I said 68 cents, accumulating strong key level up to 68. And then we scaled off on the way up. Lots of room, so we saved some to ride it out. So lots of room ended up playing out, and we got a massive move, right? So at this level, and to open, I mentioned one of my key levels was around like 58. I just removed it, but it was at around this level. Now, the reason why I was watching it was because you guys see a pop and then a pullback, right? So pullback is into the EMAs, and we have an EMA reclaim on the 1 minute, right? So we took initial entries off of this, and then I have a key level sitting at 67.39. Now, the question was, why do I have this key level, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the 1 hour chart, and we're going to look for strong uh, hourly candles in which that have a lot of support and resistance, meaning high volume candles, right? So initial high volume candle, you guys can see that actually made moves, right? Highest volume, right? Highest volume compared to anything else, nothing here, nothing really here. So right, so these are the highest volume candles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark out my support here. I'm gonna mark out my resistance here, which is gonna be new support. And then I'm gonna mark out my resistance at the time, which I'm looking to flip into new support. And then same thing here. That's how I got this zone as well, right? So you guys can clearly see why I have the key levels, 1 hour resistance, 1 hour key levels, right? So now you can see this key level is 67.39, right? So, and then we have this zone as well. Let's go back to the 5 minute. All right. We are dumping right now, and you guys can see we got a candle close, right? It's nice to see it live. So we got a 5 minute candle close over our key level 67. We popped up, and then we had a nice move, right? Now a 5 minute candle close against what? You guys can go back and check where the zone was from. Actually, I'll show you. So that 1 hour zone is obviously strong based off of this key level, right? Based off of this high volume zone. So sellers were here before. Sellers are here again into this same key level, right? So no 5 minute candle close over this level, right? So we grab liquidity and pull back. That was the main thing right here. 1 minute move, right? 1 minute pop, pull back into the EMAs. We broke our 67.39 key level, looking for it to turn into support. And we have EMAs here. So we have pop, right? This could have been a liquidity grab for shorts, but what happened is we pulled back into EMAs, we held up, and then we continued. And then we know we made 67.39, which is that once again 1 hour key level into support. And we had that nice move. So also on the 4 hour, what I was looking for is we have a lot of moves. So if we hold 67.39, it aligns with the candle close here. So we technically had room to like $1.08. Obviously, that's a fat move, and I'm not going to be holding for $1.08. But that just tells you that, hey, this is a nice setup. We can get 75, 80 cents out of this. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. 1 hour key levels. See you guys in the next one. Enjoy the weekend. Peace.